Hi players, this video are for the player who used the Sicilian Dragon as a weapon versus e4. But we will focus more on hyper accelerated dragon, which is e4 c5, knight f3 and g6. It is very popular nowadays and I'm also curious, pero nung pinag-aralan ko siya, maganda nga yung linya na ino-offer ng hyper accelerated dragon. White play d4 and black's response is cx-d4. Kapag nag-knight x-d4, that is a normal accelerated dragon. But what if white play queen x-d4? The best response for the black is knight f6, e5 attacking the knight, and you will counter with knight c6. Common response is queen a4 and yeah, you put your knight into safety. But still, ihaharas pa rin niya ng queen, which is the queen e4, and the suggestion move is knight d4. In this position, very critical position, dapat mas maging maingat ang puti. Example, if white either play a3 or knight c3, that is a dubious continuation for the white. Itira natin. Let's say knight c3, developing move, normal move. The best response for the black is d4. Always remember sa Sicilian, kapag naitira ng black player ang d5 safely, it almost give him or her an equality. In the game, naitira agad yan ng itim. Ibig sabihin, almost equal ang position na yan, except kung ititira ng puti, ang normal na tira, na common na tinitira ng puti sa linya na yan is the pass pawn. Which is wrong. Bakit? I'll give you 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kung nakita nyo yung bishop f5, that is a good sign na maganda ang progress ng inyong paglalaro. Bishop f5 is winning. Okay, let's say kumounter yung puti. Capture and capture. Now, white has a problem kung paano siya magre-respond sa threat ng knight c2. Hindi siya pwede magkamali. Example, tumira siya queen e2, knight x c2 is mate. If tumira siya ng queen e3, still royal port. Or if wherever he go, let's say queen c4, queen h4, or queen f4, let's say queen f4, again, knight c2, king e2, queen d3, checkmate, and black is winning.